Hi everybody, welcome to my tutorial on editing a web page visually in Divi 5. I'm your host, Sandra Simonelli, owner of ACT Websites located in the Australian Capital Territory. So let's get started. So first you log into the WordPress dashboard and you hover your mouse over your website's name and click Use Site. So let's do that. Use Site. Now your menu may be located on the top of the page or elsewhere. Mine's on the side in this instance, so I'm on the home page. I'm happy to edit the home page. So now I'm going to edit with Divi. And then you'll notice it's a little bit different now than the old layout of Divi 4. So basically we'll begin editing by hovering the mouse over any area we wish to edit, and you'll notice you'll be able to do that on the sidebar just here on the right hand. So you still have the same layout, so you can still do the dividers, the sizing, spacing as you would before. It's pretty much the same, it's just lighter, and you can edit things like images by doing that and change your images as you would before. Add a link to those things, background. So you see it's really easy. Even if you want to edit text, you can click within there where the text is and you can edit the main heading. Let's type in welcome to our page, for instance. It's all in lowercase. And you see to save you have to just go up to the top of the page, basically here, save the page, and then you can preview it, you can exit this way, and now you've edited your page. So that's it from me. Thanks for your time.